Hello there. Want to start or boost your career? Then this is the perfect time to start or switch careers, and Vlearn.tech has got you covered. Kickstart your dream career at Vlearn.tech. Now, what makes Vlearn different? 100 plus trending advanced technology courses for everyone. 200 plus top trainers from fast-growing industries. One-on-one interaction for the students with the educators. Quality education at affordable prices. Courses in our wide curriculum include development, design, photography, digital marketing, network and security, IT and software. The best part is you get to choose from a lot of online courses with new editions published every month. Book your seat now at www.vlearn.tech to avail flat 50% off on all courses. Learn anything at your own time and convenience from Vlearn.tech. Hurry up to be among the first 10 applicants to get this one-time offer. Reach us now at Vlearn.tech to get a free consultation call from our team.